To install the front indicators, remove the headlight seal beam. Now unplug stock indicators sockets. Now remove the stock indicators. Remove the two main headlight bolts. Now mount our indicators brackets. Don't forget to use 4 washers between the headlight clamp and the new indicator bracket. You can also attach your windshield and minus out 2 number of washers. Now align them properly and tight every bolt completely. Now cut the stock indicators wire from the very center to use stock sockets with the new indicators. Do not cut the wires from any of one end and cut them from very center. Now attach those sockets to the new indicators and mount indicators into the new brackets. Now pass the cables into the headlight and plug the sockets. Check the indicators. Now fit the seal beam. Now remove the rear light setup completely. Now cut the stock indicators wire from the very center to use stock sockets with the new indicators. Do not cut the wires from any of one end and cut them from very center. Now to fit the rear indicators, you get 3 slots in the brackets from which you can use 2 slots to adjust the indicators forward or backward as per your perfect suitable position. Do not forget to use 3 given washers both the sides. You can also adjust the indicators forward and backward from the main bolts slots. Now to fit the tail light and tail tidy, use the stock fender rubber inside out. Now use the given bolt with the washers both the sides. Fit the given L-shaped bracket as shown in video to fix the fender with the tail light mount. Now fit the tail light with tail tidy and mount it on the stock tail light mount.